Imagine waking up to the soft sound of rain hitting the roof above you. You slowly open your eyes, stretch your arms, and for a moment, everything feels calm and quiet. You're not in a hotel room. You're not at home. You're parked beside a peaceful lake, with mountains standing tall in the distance and fresh air filling the space around you. A warm cup of coffee is only a few steps away, and the road ahead is completely yours. This is not just travel. This is freedom. And today, we're stepping inside a motorhome that turns this dream into reality, the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 1970. A luxury RV built for people who don't just visit places, but truly live on the road. So sit back, relax, and imagine this motorhome as part of your own journey. At first glance, the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 1970 feels strong, confident, and ready for adventure. It's built on a commercial-grade platform, which means it's designed to handle long distances, heavy loads, and years of travel without compromise. But what makes it special is how smoothly all that strength is delivered. This motorhome doesn't feel rough or industrial. Instead, it feels calm, controlled, and refined, making every drive feel easy and relaxed. Under the hood, the Hi-Matic automatic transmission completely changes the driving experience. Gear changes feel smooth and natural, traffic becomes less stressful, and long journeys feel far more comfortable. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or climbing winding mountain roads, the motorhome feels stable, confident, and easy to control. This is the kind of vehicle that lets you enjoy the drive instead of fighting it. From the outside, the design is clean and modern. The front looks bold, with large headlights and a wide grille that give it a powerful presence on the road. It looks just as comfortable parked in the mountains as it does cruising down a highway or resting near the coast. Step into the driver's cabin, and you immediately notice the space and comfort. The seats are wide and supportive, designed for long hours behind the wheel. The dashboard is clean and simple, with everything placed exactly where you expect it to be. Nothing feels complicated or overwhelming. Once you park, the front seats rotate smoothly, turning the driver's area into part of the living space. This small detail makes a big difference, creating one open, flowing interior instead of separate sections. As you move into the main living area, the space feels warm and inviting. Large windows allow natural light to fill the interior, while soft lighting keeps the atmosphere calm and relaxing during the evening. The materials feel premium without being flashy. Softwood finishes, clean surfaces, and thoughtful details make the space feel like a modern apartment on wheels. This is a place where you can relax after a long drive, enjoy a quiet morning, work remotely, or spend quality time with someone you care about. The seating area is designed for real comfort, not just appearance. The cushions are soft, the seating position feels natural, and there's enough space to stretch out and unwind. When needed, this area can easily transform into an additional sleeping space, making the motorhome flexible for guests or family travel. The kitchen may look compact, but it's incredibly well planned. You have a clean countertop, a built-in stove, a sink with modern fittings, and plenty of smart storage cabinets. Everything is placed within easy reach, making cooking simple and enjoyable. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast before hitting the road or cooking a full meal after a long day of travel, this kitchen gives you independence. You're not tied to restaurants or schedules. You eat when you want, where you want, and exactly how you like, and that kind of freedom feels truly luxurious. As the day comes to an end, the sleeping area becomes your private escape. The bedroom feels calm and peaceful, with soft lighting and a clean layout that helps you unwind. The bed is wide, comfortable, and designed for real rest, not just short naps. There's storage around the sleeping area for clothes and personal items, keeping everything organized and within reach. This space doesn't just help you sleep, it helps you recharge for the next adventure. The bathroom is compact but complete, designed with daily use in mind. Inside, you'll find a toilet, a shower area, and a sink with practical storage. The layout feels efficient and easy to use, without feeling cramped. It's simple, clean, and reliable, exactly what you want when you're living on the road. One of the strongest features of the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 1970 is its smart storage design. Storage is built into every possible space, from under the seats to overhead cabinets and large exterior compartments. This makes long-term travel far easier and more comfortable. You don't have to choose between bringing what you need and staying comfortable. This motorhome allows you to have both. What truly sets this motorhome apart is balance. It combines strength with comfort, power with smooth driving, and practical design with a premium feel. It's not built to show off. It's built for people who value experience, freedom, and quality time on the road. Every detail feels purposeful, every space feels usable, and every journey feels enjoyable. Now let me ask you something. If this IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 1970 were yours, where would you take it first? Through mountain passes, along quiet beach roads, or on a long cross-country adventure? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your dream destination. The IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 1970 is more than just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It's waking up somewhere new, driving without stress, and living comfortably wherever the road takes you. For anyone dreaming of freedom, slow travel, and a deeper connection with the journey itself, this motorhome delivers exactly that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorhome and lifestyle reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next journey.